What it is, YouTube, it's your boy Funny Man back at it again with another video. And I know y'all probably like, yo, where has he been at? Where is the car reviews? What is he doing? Is he still alive? Yeah, man, I'm still here, man. And, I just been running and ripping. I just got a new job or whatever. Had my first official week of my new job this week. It was good. Not too hard of a job, so that's going good. But this is not what we're here to talk about. We are here to talk about what's going on with the Honda, my baby Margaret, and what I'm gonna do with it, and as far as content coming down the way. So, as y'all know, my car broke down on me. The engine blew. I still do not know what happened, why it blew up. I still don't know what happened. But something popped and white smoke came out, blah, blah, blah. Y'all seen that in the last video. Now, I've been, contemplating on what I'm going to do. And I think I finally came up with a plan. And I think this plan will help me in the long run. It'll help me save money. And yeah, man. So basically what I'm going to do is, currently I'm looking for somebody to rebuild the engine or see what actually happened with the car, man. And I got a guy in mind, and I haven't reached out to him yet. But I had somebody in mind that'll help me out and, maybe come take a look and see what happened, see what I need to do. Because at the end of the day, it's going to be cheaper for me to fix the car instead of me trying to buy another car. Because I have some stuff that I want to buy, and it's a lot of money. But it's worth what I'm gonna be spending. Trust and believe it's worth. Y'all gonna see some changes coming to the channel. Trust and believe that. But yeah, man, and that car, that is like a good car, man. Like, it's good on gas. It's just, I gotta, since it's an older car, it's a 1990. Since it's an older car, I gotta pay more attention to the maintenance and, checking my oil every other day. Just keeping the maintenance up, man, so I can, drive it wherever I want. Because, it's not like a new car where, alerts will pop up, notifications will pop up, you need oil, blah, blah, blah. It's not going to tell you that, you know what I mean? So you have to, manually check it yourself, man. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead. Because my hand is hurting a little bit. Let me set this camera down. Set this down. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a mechanic. I got somebody in mind. I'm going to get him to come around here, take a look at it, and see what's going on. It's currently dead right now. I know that battery is dead. That battery is way dead. The car has been sitting for... excuse me. The car has been sitting for like 2 months now. Yeah, because it's September. Yeah, the car has been sitting for just under 2 months. And I know the battery is dead. It's going to need a jump. But the main important thing is to finding out what's wrong with the engine and what actually happened. Like, what actually popped and and made like the smoke and all that stuff. So that's where we're at with that right now. Probably after I, do this video, I'm gonna probably get on the phone and see if the guy. Sorry about that, y'all. Had a phone call. Shout out to my cousin Seb. You feel me? Follow him on Instagram. You feel me? Link in the description below and all that good stuff. But yeah, man, probably after I do this video, I'll probably get on the phone, call the guy, see if he can come through, take a look at it, see what's wrong with it and all that. Because, man, your boy needs a car, man. Thank God my job is where I live at. You feel me? I ain't got to travel, far, trying to get a ride and stuff like that. I've been there before, and it is not good, man. So thank God my job is in my hometown, and I ain't got to travel far and all that good stuff. Literally like 10 minutes away. But yeah, man. So that's what's going on with the Honda. Hopefully to get more car reviews out too. Soon is when I get some transportation. I got a couple in mind, man. So, it's when I come back, like a car review, it's not gonna be nothing, simple. You know what I mean? I don't really do simple cars. So not saying like nothing, like nothing against like the regular cars or nothing like that. But it's just like I know what people want to see. You know what I mean? I know what I want to see. You know what I mean? So, and this is a car channel. But I got some things. So when I start back doing car reviews, like, yeah, I got some whips lined up, y'all. Y'all gonna like this. Y'all gonna like this. Yeah, man. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update, man. I know y'all probably like, man, where he been at? What's going on? And yeah, y'all, I'm still here. By the grace of God, I'm still here. Healthy. Well. Still doing my thing, Follow me on Instagram, FunnyManChris96. Subscribe to my comedy channel, FMC Comedy. Follow my car page too, _CDM __. All those links should be down in the description below, man. And I hope everybody is, being safe out there. We are, still going through this pandemic, and, the world is a crazy place, and it's a lot of stuff going on right now, man. And I just, like, look at social media, and sometimes I don't like looking at social media, and because, like, it's nothing but, my shirt look like that, man. I hate collars like that, man. But, sleeve, what is going on? But, yeah, man, social media is just nothing but drama filled, and I'm not really about all the drama and negativity. I'm more about positivity, man. Hope you guys are as well, and I just, like to distance myself from negative energy and, drama and stuff like that, because I'm not like that. I never was like that, you know what I mean? I always stayed to myself. Just stay to myself. Real quiet dude. Like, basically, I treat you how you treat me. You know what I mean? And I treat people with respect and all that, man. You feel me? If anybody knows me, they'll tell you that. They'll tell you the same thing. Yeah, Chris, be chilling and all that stuff, man. But yeah, man, we just going through a lot right now with this pandemic, the coronavirus, stuff like that. We probably be like this for a while. Not probably. We're gonna be like this for a while. Going into next year, man. So, everybody just, keep being safe. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. So we can, help slow the virus down, and potentially it'll go away, hopefully, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for today's video, man. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's been going on with me and where I've been at and all that good stuff, man. So yeah, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button, click notification bell so you can get all my videos when I post. And yeah, man. That's pretty much it, man. It's your boy, Funny Man. Hope y'all good. Stay good. And, yeah, man. I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Peace.